Niya ako. Camera shy po ako, so baka mahirapan kayo.
Say it's impossible, just makes us wanna do it. We're up against the wall, we'll break right through it all. We'll break right through it. This may be difficult, we're not afraid to blow it. And even if we fall, we'll keep on.
Kaya ka, magmano ka, mag-bless ka!
We'll keep on going. Here we go.
Saan nga may masarap, atin ngang pupuntahan. Ngayon, nandito kami sa sari-sari store ni ate para bumili ng pinya. Sa sobrang sarap ng pinya, bago ako ikasal, bibili ako ng pinya.
Keep us down. They'll never keep us down. One path.
Mr. and Mrs. Omar and Irene Yaga.
One way. We're taking it.
Init!
One path.
Tubig! Kala makapunta ako sa Bordex ka. Gagaling!
We will stand, we will stand, we will stand up. No, they cannot keep us down. They'll never keep us down. We will stand, we will stand, we will stand up. No, they cannot keep us down. Look at us stand out now. Look at us stand out now. Look at us stand out now. Look at us stand out now.
Ayoko na. Alam ko na bakit isang beses lang kinakasal. Nakakapagod.
Sige, tara na.
Okay na po, kasalan na!
Excited na ako. Siyempre, gagraduate na kami. Finally, diba? 2 years in the making.
Call it magic. Call it true.
Pinag-ipunan namin to eh.
Magic. When I'm with you.
To Irene Grace. Ay, wow. Ito na talaga. 12 years ago, magka-chat lang tayo.
One day daw nakita niya ako sa Pure Gold. Pasakay na ako ng jeep. And then the next day, nag-message na siya sa akin. Sabi niya, uy. Tapos ang reply ko sa kanya, uy, Omar, kamusta? I miss you. Akala ko close kami ng high school. Hindi pala. Sabi niya, feeling close ka lang sa akin, no?
Ngayon, ikakasal na tayo. Ang tagal na nating pinangarap to, lalo na yung ikasal sa Caleruega.
And I don't, and I don't, and I don't, and I don't. No, I don't, it's true. I don't, no, I don't, no, I don't, no, I don't.
Kaya ngayong hapong ito, Omar at Irene Grace, kayo ay magpapalitan ng pangako sa harap mismo ng altar ng Diyos. Dahil ngayon, nakikinig ang Diyos. Babasbasan ng Diyos ang inyong pag-iibigan.
Ask me. After all that we've been through.
Tapos na po ba?
Yes, nag-start na po. Wow! Nakapastart na yung walk.
Well, yes, I do. Oh, yes, I do. Oh, yes, I do. Oh, yes, I do. Of course, I do.
To my dearest Bomshi, I was 16 when I first came to Caleruega. I remember it was during our photography class back in college. I was a struggling advertising student who doesn't really know what she's doing. And of course, instead of praying for good grades, I asked the Lord for 2 things. One, that one day, when the time is right, I would get married here. And 2 is that hopefully I would meet the person who would make that first wish come true. And now today, standing here, both of those prayers have been answered.
Simple lang ang aking pangarap, ang tayo'y maglaro sa langit at ulap.
Lagi kang nasa tabi ko kahit nung nawala si Tita Edith. Sayang lang, wala si Tita Edith dito. Pero alam kong masaya siya. Sa'yo ako'y kakasal.
Nalulula nang ako yung tinanggay
Sabi ko di ako iyak.
sa tuktok ng mundo.
Madalas kitang tinatanong kung sama ka sa pagtanda. Ngayon, magkasama tayong tatanda. I love you, Irene Grace. I love you, Wab.
Kumakabog-kabog ang aking dibdib.
Omar, I say this in full confidence. Pinapangako ko na hindi ka magsisisi, na ako ang pinakasalan mo, and that you're going to enjoy every single minute of your life with me.
Payapa sa piling mo, hinahanap mga suya.
Kaya huwag bumitaw. Yan ang ibig sabihin ng pagpapakasal sa loob ng simbahan. Kinikilala na ang buhay ay hindi araw-araw Pasko. Minsan meron ding mahal na araw. Pero kumakapit pa rin sa Diyos.
Kumakabog-kabog ang aking dibdib. Tatalon mula sa alapang, magkayakan, payapa sa piling mo, hinahanap mga suya, malaya sa piling.
I will always root for you, celebrate you in all that you do, and remind you that no matter what life brings, we'll figure things out together. And if we don't, edi don't. Mahal na mahal kita, Omar. At isang napakalaking karangalang mabuhay kasama mo. I love you.